All right, okay, in this video, we're going to learn that how to provide a sorting feature when we use a list view control. Okay, so for example, if we click the smart task and menu option over here and then click config list view, you can see that, whoops, I mean, there are no options to provide a sorting feature at all. Okay, so yes, this is the paging feature. Okay, so we're going to see that how do we provide one. Okay, how do we provide one? Okay, so this will be the example over here. Okay, so we have talked about how to display the information. Okay, how to set up a different pagination format. Okay, either numerical pager or next previous pager. And right now we're going to see how can we provide sorting features on a variety of columns. Okay, so let's see how do we do that. So to provide sorting, we have to switch to the source code view, and then look for an element about a layout template. So there you go. So this is the layout template. And then within the layout template, look for the table header. So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 table header elements in there. So they represent those 5 table headers. Okay, and then we're going to again switch back to the source code view, and then in the table header, within the table header element, so you can see that this is the opening a table header tag. This is the closing tag. So assume that I want to provide a hyperlink, like this one, like this one, so that when the user click on it, then all the product information will be sorted by ascending forward order. And then if that hyperlink is clicked again, then all the product information will be sorted in descending order. So let's see how can we provide that feature. So to keep things simple, I would try the product name first. So we're going to use the link button control from the standards folder. Or category. So there you go. So this is the link button control. And then I'm going to drag and drop and then put it next to the content of this header over here. So let me drag and drop and then put right next to it. And if you switch to the design view, then you can see that the column header for the product name has 2 set of information over there, which is correct. One again, one will be the regular text expression. One will be the link button. So, but here, we're going to do some setting. So select the link button here, and then drag and drop the properties window to the center if you want to. You don't need to, but I'm recording the video, so to let you see better, I just move the property related to the link button to the middle of the screen, and then over the property command name, then you just type sort, S-O-R-T. I would recommend use the uppercase for S. And then the argument, again, the command argument will be the name. So actually, that is the column name for the product. The column name of the in the products table. And then table way, and then switch back here. And then let me put the insertion point over here and then press the enter key so you can see better about the whole link button element. So again, it starts from here and over here. But then the description for this link button is link button. It's kind of a little bit, again, not what we wanted. Okay, so let me again switch back to the source code, HTML source code view, and then let me change the content of this link button to link button element to let's say name, name, and then again right now if I switch back to this design view, then we can see that there is one link button name there, and then another name retrieve from the table, products table, the column name. So we really don't need this one. So again, switch back, and then delete in front of the opening link button. Then now we can delete this one. Okay. All right. And then switch back to the design view. So far so good. And then let's run the app to see how it goes. So now the product name become a hyperlink because we just put a link button over there. And if we click the name, then you can see that all the product names are sorted by ascending order. We can jump to the last page, doesn't matter. So you can see that all the products information are sorted by product name in ascending order. But then if we want to sort the product names in descending order, then the user just need to click the name header here again. That's it. Then you can see that all products are sorted in descending order. But then how about, they say, well, I want to provide sorting for the unit price. Well, then it kind of, the principle is the same. So let's go back again. And then let's look for the layout. Again, layout template. Layout template, and within the layout template element, look for the table header, price, here. And then let's drag and drop another instance of the link button over here. And then I assume that by now, you will know that, oh, we need to access the command, command name. So let's do the sorting, sort. And then the argument for the sorting we want to do will be the unit price. So again, make sure that you use the exactly the same name like in the tables header. Okay, the product tables header. So it will be unit price. So let me type unit price. Okay, and tab away if you want to. Okay. And then let me let me put this properties window here. And then now actually now I can just let me see whether I have to change the name. Oh yeah, we have to change the content in the link button. So let me change this one to a price. Price. And then again we can switch back to the design view. So in the header part, we have the hyperlink, and also not the hyperlink. We have the link button control here, and the text information. So we want to delete this unit price text information. Switch back to the source code, HTML source code view, and then look for the layout element again, and then look for the header, unit price. So let me delete this one, delete this one, and then switch back. All right, so far so good. So let's run it. Let's run it. So now we provide two sorting features to allow users to sort the products by name or by price. So you can see that if I click the price, then all the products will be displayed based on the price in ascending order. If I click the price again, then all the products information will be displayed by the price in descending order. Okay. However, in case that you might have noticed that for this section of products, so those products, then you can see that Okay. Those 4 items can have the same unit price, but if you look at the product name, then they are arranged by kind of random order. So you say, well, maybe I want to provide a more advanced feature that when the price is selected, then all the products will be displayed in a certain sorting order, for example, ascending order. But for the products, having the same, let's say, having the same value, or unit price, then I want them to be displayed in based on the product name in ascending order. Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, so you'll be surprised that it's really pretty easy to do it. Okay, so just go back to the HTML source code view, and then get over the, let me see, yes, there you go, get the unit price over here. Okay, so this is the link button for the unit price. And then we can look for the command argument, and then over the command arguments value field, then we can add one more option over there. Okay, so we're going to add the product name. Okay, so it shows that you would when this button is clicked, then you will sort the products based on the unit price. And if the unit price, if the products have the same unit price, then it will sort next by the product's name. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, let me run it. Okay, and then let me sort the products based on the unit price. There you go. So in ascending order, and then you can see that for the products having the same unit price, same unit price, then they will be sorted by the product name. Okay, so again, if I click the product price again, then this time, for the products having the same unit price, then they were sorted by products name next, but in descending order. Okay, so again, it's really neat. It's really neat. Okay. Yeah, so the next thing I want to share with you will be how to provide, let's say, editing feature. Okay, so that will be the next video I want to share with you. Okay, so let me stop the video right now.